Good morning. 6 a.m. New month, November 1st. Time to make that big push to the end of the year. So we're going to switch up our strategies a little bit. We're going to get out every morning by 6 a.m. 6 to 8 in the morning, 6 to 8:30 in the morning, see what we can get. Come home, trade, get back out in the afternoon, 4:30 till about 8, 9 o'clock, unless there's an event during the week, and then push hard on the weekends. So, join me for the ride and let's go. Now, as you can see here, I'm in my little spot. You can see there's so much, bonus out here, way out east towards the coast. But listen, I'm not going for the rope-a-dope. But one thing's interesting, right? They're telling me to stay platinum. I'm a platinum driver on Lyft. But I've got to earn 560 points in order to keep that, right? And that, you can see my driving score is 81%. Let's see what's so bad about that. Well, it's my acceptance rating, right? My acceptance rating is at 80%. In order to unlock the trip details in advance, I got to get that up to 90%. 3% cancellation, 5-star rating, no safety flags, no service flags. So, basically, I got to make 560 bucks, and then I can keep platinum through, I guess, January 1st. Anyway, all right, so as you can see, I've had a little bonus get a lot closer to me now. So we are going to deploy one of Kiara's strategies. And if you don't know who Kiara is, I'll put a link up top here to her channel. Sometimes you got to go where the money is. And where that bonus is right now is out in Weston. And that's a wealthy area. And if you follow Kiara's channel, follow Key's tracks, she don't sit in a, she's always working towards the stronger areas, the wealthier areas, the areas where people got money. So as you can see, I made it home. It was a good little ride this morning, but it took me all the way down to Miami. And that was kind of tough because having to drive all the way back in time to get to the markets. And I'm very, very disciplined on trading these markets every single morning, whether I'm trading real money or I'm trading practicing, paper account. Last couple of weeks got a little sideways, chasing SPX. I got a lot more work to do with that. But today we hit them up pretty good. 3 NVIDIA puts, 1 Tesla put, up $235 for the day. So with the ride and the 235, I hit my goal for November 1st, which is $300 a day. A combination of the two. I don't know what's going to happen if I lose my butt in the market one day. But as for Uber earnings, well, I wasn't here for it, so I couldn't go live. I apologize. But we're going to put up here what they reported on. They had an estimated reported earnings of minus 17.5 cents. They wound up coming in at minus 43.5 cents. But they had more earnings overall. In other words, they booked more rides, $233.5 million. So I don't know what that's supposed to mean. Because to me, they're making more money, which is obvious because we're getting paid less. But they're still not profitable. Another quarter in the books where they're red. Anyway, both of them ran up this morning. Lyft ran up right along with Uber. Lyft has earnings next week. We'll do that one live. And currently right now, I don't know. They kind of steadied off. Anyway, I'm going to go to work this afternoon. This was a little fun video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. It's just a day in the life. This is what it's all about. The hustle, the grind. And make sure you go follow Key's tracks. Uber Jeep AZ, the rideshare culture. Big shout out to my boy Eddie and driving in style. And don't forget the Chicago Lux driver, Brandon up in Chicago. All right, we'll see y'all Wednesday night. Peace out.